chatty type, reminisce through my big night up in northern Connecticut. I've been shot like a pinball up along the East Coast, roll back down and do it again. And I'm hoping I'm right when I say there's nothing wrong with me that a better life won't fix.